pockets. It's a very handy thing that everyone loves to know how to make. Actually, other than the first pocket that I made, the rest were not that pretty because I wasn't following a tutorial and I forgot how I did it before. So let's go! The first step is to sew the pocket to the side seam where the opening is, and then you sew that right side out first. It means wrong sides together. Yeah, confusing. The fashion fabric showing, so you can see all the prints. Then you flip it inside out and you sew. So actually all your raw edges are in that little pocket where the thick seam allowance is. And then you do this 4 times. So now fold the pocket seams together. So you create the pocket now. I still don't sew the side seams yet. I just sew the pockets. I do French seam pockets because I hand sew and I don't want to work with raw edges. So I do everything twice and it's neatly finished. So now I am sewing the top seams because my pocket goes all the way up to the waistband. So the top side seam is all 4 layers of fabric. And then I continue lining up the rest of the side seams, ignoring the pocket for now. And then you sew them together. So here I'm showing that the stitches, the final stitches for the side seams, I do them a bit further inwards than the pocket. This is so that the pocket might roll inwards a bit and you hide the mismatched color of the pocket, so it's not that distracting. I don't know how much that works, but you still see it. Oh well. It doesn't really matter. I chose cute fabric here. So in any case, if you see it, it's cute.